Just a quick market updates, guys. So in the market today, we've seen a fairly decent reversal in risk appetite. So early on in the European trading session, we saw some downside. Now, it was a bit weird at the time, but basically two important European stock exchanges weren't functioning properly this morning. And when they reopened about 2.5 hours late, we saw quite a bit of downside in European equities, and that dragged other risk assets lower, and it gave dollar a bit of a boost and other havens a bit of a boost. However, two main factors have triggered a reversal in risk appetite. So there's been increased optimism regarding a vaccine. So we had Pfizer and this other company whose name I can't remember, very, very weird name, but it is in the blog below. They basically released positive results. We also had this Oxford scientist talking about how this phase 3 trial they're doing on a separate vaccine is also going very well, with 8,000 patients having some good immune response. The other thing boosting risk appetite in the last couple of hours has been strong US data. So ISM manufacturing PMI for June, that was better than expected, back in expansionary territory, and the subcomponent new orders also very, very strong. We like to look at new orders when we look at these PMI datas, because new orders is seen as one of the more forward-looking sub-indices. We also had ADP data. To be honest, the June ADP data, slight miss on expectations, didn't really create a reaction, but there was this huge upward revision to the May number, because remember, sometimes they release this month's data and they can revise last month's data. So before, in May, ADP said that just over 3 million jobs were lost. Just over 2.7, I think, million jobs were lost. Now ADP is saying that in May, over 3 million jobs were added. So basically, I think ADP have seen that NFP in May said that 2.5 million jobs were added, and they went, oh my god, we need to revise our number. But anyway, the point is, massive upwards revision, and the labour market clearly did very, very well in May. Speaking of NFP, we do have NFP tomorrow. That is going to be a key determinant of risk sentiment. I did a primer for that earlier on in my earlier blog, so do check it out. That is pretty much it from me for now, and I'll see you in the next one.